what is poppin'? This video, I'm going to be telling you guys all my tips and tricks on getting an aesthetic room. Literally all my videos, someone always comments on my room, so I thought, why not share my tips? And it's been requested by like one person, but that doesn't matter. So opening up into my room, my first tip is the color of your walls. As you can tell, my walls are blue. Always set a nice color, whatever color you want, but I think brighter colors rather than just like a black or like a deep brown or just like a tan. I think any like out of the box color just kind of looks cool, and also match your furniture to it. So all my furniture is white, so I like it to be corresponding towards the color. If I put like wooden furniture with blue walls, it would not look aesthetic at all, but white furniture usually does look really good, unless you're like me and you get it really dirty, then I guess it might suck for you, but hey, I'm still dealing with it. Keep cleaning that up. And then also lamps. I put lamps a lot around my room. As you can see, I have a blue one, a crystal one. I just think lamps do a lot. And also fairy lights, guys. Put fairy lights on top of your headboard. Put fairy lights anywhere you want. Fairy lights are honestly the key to making your room look aesthetic because, well, they're fairy lights. It's pretty simple, but I kind of put them everywhere. As you can tell, I have like a little corner over here where I put my fairy lights around, and I try to put them in like cooler designs, and I try to put some variations, not just like the same fairy lights or the same type of lights. Like the other ones were diamonds, these are fairy lights, and then I also have my blue pom-pom ones. I don't know if you guys saw before, but yeah. So, fairy lights everywhere. That's a pretty basic hack, to be honest, but I have to throw it out there anyway, you know? So these are the ball lights that I was talking about. I had them blue, but they have fairy lights inside, so it kind of matches my vibe. A lot of things you want to correspond to each other, but obviously you don't want it to be too matchy-matchy either. So I like having a two multicolor like scheme. The next thing I want to mention is pillows. Pillows are great. The more pillows you have, the more color you have going on, it just looks better. I only have 2 pillows, but I still think it looks pretty nice together. And also fur. Because I have a blue and white room, the fur definitely does a lot to my room, and whatever goes with your room, if velvet maybe goes with your room, you might want to do that, but for my room personally, fur goes with it. So I have a lot of fur going around, my chairs, my throws, my pillows. I have a lot of fur going on because that's kind of my vibe. As you can see, I even have a little bench on the side where I have the fur, just because everything really ties in together. The next thing I want to mention is silver. Since white and silver go so well together, if you have a black furniture or wooden furniture, and then I guess gold would look better, but for me, since I wear white furniture, silver goes well very nice. So I make sure to match up my mirrors, my table runners, my like holders for my makeup, and make sure it's all silver, just so that everything is cohesive and that it goes together and it like vibes together. You know what I mean? And I also want to mention, if you have mess like I do up there, as you can see, do not leave it around on top of your desk, okay? Try to keep it out of eye view. So as you can tell, that is very high. It's almost by the ceiling. So when you walk into my room, you honestly don't even see all that clatter and all that stuff. So you want to keep all the mess as far away from eye view as possible. Garbage cans. Garbage cans matter a lot. How many times do you throw something in the garbage can? Yeah. Thought so. Make sure you get a cute garbage can to match your vibe, because believe it or not, it matters a lot. My next hack are rugs. Rugs are amazing. They cover up all those spots on the carpet, especially if you have wooden floors. My mother wouldn't let me take my carpet off, or else I would have. But if you have wooden floors, rugs on them look so cute. It looks so aesthetic, and I just love the way it all comes together with a rug, especially since my rug kind of matches my walls. And I also want to mention, even if you have stuff that doesn't match your aesthetic, even if they're memorable to you or something you like putting out, just put it out, you know? Your room should be aesthetic to you first rather than anyone else. So as you can see, I have this like random NYX glove that doesn't even match, and these bridesmaid cups that are gold that don't even go, but I still keep it there, you know? Next is candles. Candles can improve your mood. It makes the whole room smell good, and it just adds a little color here and there. And candles look cute, honestly. I just think it all goes well together. Also, curtains. You want curtains that will bring light into your room, not make it darker, because the darker your room is, the more close together it's going to look, and I guess unaesthetic it's going to look. So make sure to have curtains that are nice and brightening and kind of match your vibe. The last hack I want to share is your fan. Yes, believe it or not, your fan makes a big difference. If I kept my wooden brown fan, when I did my room, when I redid it, like when I did this whole like blue-white scheme, it would look so ugly, but as soon as I put in this white fan that kind of matched the whole thing, it just turned out amazing. So don't forget to also match your fan with the vibe of your room. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is all I have to share. This was a quick video, but I wanted to share all my tips out there since I've gotten one request. And I hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye! Love you all!